Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Sherwood Court is where we stayed. This is it. Stayed over here in room 8. Looks like there's like a little hot tub here. I don't know what it is, so it looks dry. Got a fire pit. They're probably like, oh, he's looking around. And Sherwood Court. So yeah, we were number 8. I don't know what this is. Maybe that used to be the like little office. Don't know. Like you have the little cabin thingies too. So the office is straight there. So yeah, we stayed in 8. Here's all the rooms. And so 2 beds. Nicely decorated. Nice and clean. Got like the vintage looking fridge, which I need to get my actually Starbucks out of. AC unit, we have it off just so to do the video and we're leaving. Microwave, coffee maker, didn't use that. I don't always drink coffee, so. Nice chair over here. Then you have the facilities. Shampoo. Yeah, nice shower, nice and warm, nice and cold. Actually took a nice cold one. It has a light for the faucet. That's kind of cool. Which I'll go ahead and turn the light off as we're leaving. But yeah, this is the place. Nice location. I think it was like $162 for the night after tax. So hopefully this gives you an idea on your travels. Stop in Eureka Springs and stay at the Sherwood Court. Also, each of the rooms is kind of a different theme too. They said this is kind of like the beach theme. So yeah, I don't know. I said whatever one was easiest for them, and this is the one they gave us. Number 8. Actually, my daughter said beach theme sounded cool, so yeah, we did this one. And like I said, not badly priced, little mom and pop place. So if you roll up at 9:30, expect that you're gonna have to call the number and they're gonna come over, and I think they're within the same little office. Just walked over and checked us in, so not a big deal. So you all take care, stay well, stay safe, and hopefully this video helps you out and decide where you want to stay with your family on vacation. Have a good one.